Usually when you uninstall a program from the control panel, this cannot remove all the file entries, and some randoms are kept on your hard drive or in the registry. This may cause your machine to slow down. But you can completely remove a program from Windows, no matter if it's Windows 10, 8 or 7. In this video, I will show you how to remove leftover or randoms of an uninstalled software or program. Before starting the video, you are requested to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Today we will discuss how to manually remove software leftover files. Let's rock and roll. Step 1. Simply search for the control panel. Open the control panel and go to uninstall a program. Select the program you want to remove and click on uninstall. Follow the uninstallation procedure. The application has been successfully uninstalled, but some fragments of the software are left over in some system folder or registries. To delete these files, let's move to Step 2. Step 2. Deleting the remaining files and folders. You should check Program Files and App Data folder for leftovers. Let's check the folders one by one. To go to Program Files, press the Windows key and type the following code. And press Enter. Check if there is a folder with the name of the program that you have removed. Just delete it. Now you need to go to the App Data folder. Press the Windows key again and type the following code. Check if there is a folder with the name of the program that you have removed. Just delete it. Step 3. Remove app keys from Windows registry. In most cases, uninstalling a program does not remove the program from Windows registry, which could increase the size of the registry. So you should check the registry keys. Launch Run by pressing Windows plus R keys. Type in REGEDIT and press Enter. Expand HKey local machine. Go to Software. If you find a key with the name of the uninstalled software, just delete it. Now check HKey current user. Go to Software. We will do the same. If you find the key with the name of the uninstalled program, just delete it. Also check H key users. Go to Default, then Software. Same here. If you find the key with the name of the uninstalled program, just delete it. Step 4. Empty temporary folder. This is the last step. Let's go to the temporary folder. Press Windows key and type the following code. Press Enter. Temporary folder contains all the temporary files, and it is very much safe to empty temporary folder. Press Ctrl A to select all and delete them. After finishing the above 4 steps, you have effectively removed the leftover files and uninstallation of a software. Now empty the recycle bin. That's it. You have successfully removed all the leftover files of the uninstalled program or software. Please give this video a thumbs up if it has helped you, and subscribe to my channel for more technology videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.